What's up, Peak Timers? Let's open up some new Hot Wheels. I've got a bunch of new Hot Wheels here, and we're gonna go ahead and open them all up. Some of them I do have already, and some of them are new to me. Let's go ahead and start it off with this one, which I was most excited to find. I found this recently in stores. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34 with Aerolift, and this is part of the Team Transport series. So let's go ahead and pop this open. And there we have it. We'll just place it right down here. Let's have a look at the Nissan GTR. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. I really like the silver colored variation of this one. Check out the tampo work on the front right there. And this being a premium version, we obviously do have the Real Rider tires on there, as well as the metal base. Very cool looking. I love the details on the back of it as well. And here is our Aerolift Team Transport with the Hot Wheels logo right there. And there it is from the front. And this one obviously does carry our Nissan GTR. And this one, if we have a look, it does kind of go down just like that. And then we can kind of drive the GTR kind of up. It doesn't quite sit flat. Maybe if I can get it up. No, maybe not. Maybe not exactly flat. We'll just put it right on there, and we'll just move it right back there. All right, let's go ahead and throw that in the back right now, and let's grab our next Team Transport that we're gonna open up today. And this one is the Jaguar Lightweight E-Type Carry-On. There we go. So we got the Carry-On and the E-Type Jaguar. The tampo work on these Team Transports are just absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. And I apologize, I probably trigger some people the way that I open the packaging. I just don't care. I just want to open it up and get to the cars right away. So let's have a look at this E-Type right here. And there it is in that nice British racing green color, the E-Type Jaguar, classic Jaguar circle logo right there. And from the front, very nice details. And this one also the Real Rider tires with the metal base on there, so it's a little bit more weighted. Very cool looking car. And then we've got the Team Transport for it right here. We can see that nice big platform on there with the Jaguar logo. And this one also with the Real Rider tires. And this one, it is a metal base. I thought for a second it might be plastic, but no, it is a metal base on there as well. So we'll go ahead and throw that one down, and we'll put our Jaguar E-Type just right on top of it, right there, just like that. Very cool. All right, let's get to our next one here. Probably a fan favorite. You guys really like this one. It is, of course, the Koenigsegg Agera R, the new white variation for it. And I actually have another one right here. And if you guys saw one of my previous videos, I actually posted that I had one of these mailed to me and the post office was broken into and they stole it. So I was able to find one locally, or two of them locally, to add to my collection, and I obviously already have one other one that you guys have seen that I've already opened up previously, but now we've got another one. I'm gonna actually, let's see, I've got two of them here. We're gonna open one of them up. Let's see, the card on this one's probably a little bit more bent, so we'll save this one because it's a little bit better condition. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. And here is our Koenigsegg Agera R, as I throw cars right in front here. But this one also with the metal base and the Real Rider tires on there. Very cool. I just absolutely love the detail of this one. It looks fantastic. And I'm hoping to see another premium variation of the Koenigsegg Sesto, which is coming to the main lines very soon. But this one is done perfectly right. And here we have it to compare to the red one, which is part of the Need for Speed generation, the previous release of it, but two very amazing castings. I absolutely love these ones. So we'll go ahead and add our new opened up white one to the collection. We'll just throw it right there for now. All right, next up, let's go ahead and open up some interesting main lines here. This one first is a 2007 first editions, and this is the Chevy Silverado with the little motorbike in the back. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. And there we go. We can see that it is that like a sport bike in the back of it, which is really cool. I love these 5-star wheels. These are some of my favorite wheels that Hot Wheels has ever made. Not a lot of tampo work or anything on the back. We got the chrome interior on this one though, and a nice chrome front end. And it looks like almost like the hood opens up. It looks like there's a gap, but it's not. It's actually sealed right there. But such a cool looking casting. I can't wait to race this one down our track, but we'll throw it right there for now. All right, let's open up the Honda Prelude from 1998. This is a 2020 release, just coming out right now, so you might be able to get your hands on this if you can search for it in stores. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here, and there it is. It's like a silverish gray color. It's not like super glossy, but it's very nice, and I wish the wheels on it might be a little bit bigger, but other than that, it's not too bad. We got the red interior on there, we got the sunroof on there, good tampo work on the rear end as well, and on the front as well. Very nice. And you can see these right here are not tampos, it's actually part of the underneath making of this casting, which is kind of cool here. So we got the Honda Prelude, we'll throw that one up there. Next up we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This is also a 2020 release. Very cool looking blue color. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and get a nice look at this one as well. And these wheels are just suiting for the Sesto Elemento. They're just kind of like a little bit crazy looking wheels, but they suit the crazy lookingness of the Sesto Elemento, and obviously a very crazy color for this one as well. So we'll go ahead and throw that one just right there. And we got a couple more cars to look at here. First up, we have the 2017 Ford GT. This is part of the Hot Wheels exotic set, which is a Walmart exclusive release. So if you're able to find this one in Walmart, then very lucky you are, because this is a fantastic set. It doesn't actually show on the back, which I thought it did, but it doesn't show all the different cars. But there's a couple other different ones for this, but I've got the two best ones here. We got the 2017 Ford GT in white, and we've seen this one released in the mainlands in several different colors, as well as it released as a treasure hunt variation for 2017. And we can see this one is white with some silver striping on there. Got the nice headlights on there as well. We got the white interior on there, blacked out wheels, and the nice plastic black base on there as well. We'll throw that one right there. And last but definitely not least, we are going to open up the McLaren P1, also from the exotic set, which is the Walmart exclusive. And I just love this blue color for it. It just looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and pop this one open here and get a nice look at that one. Check out this blue color here, gray wheels, and of course McLaren P1. I have said it before, I love the Hot Wheels P1 because it is parked in race mode with that spoiler up. So fantastic looking casting. You guys know how much I love McLarens, and the P1, one of my favorite cars of all time. Really like it. So we're gonna put that one front and center. And there we have all the cars that we have opened up today. Let me know in the comments section down below which is your favorite car of these ones that we unboxed. I look forward to reading your guys' comments. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.